Hey everyone, welcome to Mix It Up Art. Today we are going to be making this pineapple using oil pastels and watercolor paint. To get started, you're going to get a sheet of white watercolor paper. So this is going to have a little bit of texture to it. You can feel your paper, and a white oil pastel. Now, because you won't be able to see what I'm doing in the video, I'm going to show you what to do on a black sheet of paper as well. We're going to start with the leaves of the pineapple. So you want to go up about 3/4 of the way up, and you are going to draw a curved line that goes up, comes to a point, and then comes back down. And you'll do another one going the other direction. And now you'll do a couple more, making them a little bit shorter each time. And then you can add some in between. So we're going to draw a big oval and then connect all the lines from the leaves to that pineapple. Now we're going to do some lines going on a diagonal. And then some lines going the other direction on a diagonal. And now we're ready to start painting. So I'm going to get my paintbrush and some water, and you can choose to use any colors that you want. I'm going to start with some yellow in the middle here, and I'm going to be adding multiple colors to this. So after the yellow, I'm adding in a little bit of orange, and then I'm going to go back to the yellow and kind of add some yellow on top of the orange so that it blends together really well. After the orange, I'm going to add in some pink and then some red. Once I'm happy with the fruit itself, I'm going to wash my paintbrush and then start on the leaves. So I'm using a dark green at the base of the leaves and then a bright green at the top. Then I'm going to do the background. So I'm going to use some yellow and just kind of outline the pineapple. After the yellow, I added a little bit of medium green and then some royal blue and then indigo just on the corners. I'm also painting in a zigzag formation, kind of going back and forth to make it easier to blend the colors. And I chose these colors since I used warm colors for the pineapple. So if you use cool colors for the pineapple, it might be fun to play around with some warm colors on the outside. But that's all there is for our oil pastel and watercolor pineapple. Don't forget, if you want to leave me a comment or tweet me a picture, to follow me on Twitter at MixItUpArt. And as always, have fun.